guys, welcome. We're gonna do that again. Oh Jesus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Smay, and today I'm gonna make a really quick video. About the pattern day trader rule, also known as PDT. Now, if you're a day trader like myself, this is very important for you to know. So if you have a margin account, there's a limit of 3 day trades per week. In a 5-day trading week, you are only allowed to have 3 day trades. PDT was created in 2001. It says that all traders that have less than $25,000 in their trading account are not allowed to day trade more than 3 times. So you're only allowed to day trade 3 times a week. If you have 25,000 or more in your margin account, then you're allowed to trade as much as you want. That is actually one of my goals. I'm working towards having $25,000 in my account. Now, how do you get around this PDT rule? Well, if you're a trader, I suggest you get a cash account. Cash accounts will allow you to day trade as much as you'd like. So you can buy and sell as long as you have the money in your account. If you have a cash account, you can day trade as much as you like as long as you have the funds settled for it. Let's get into how to settle your funds. Now, for all stocks you sell, there's gonna be a 2-day settlement period. So with margin account, usually it settles right away and then you trade again. As long as you have the cash settled for it, you can day trade as much as you like. However, with the margin account, you're only allowed to day trade 3 times in 1 week. So the PDT rule again is applied to only margin account. Another way of avoiding 2-day settlement period is option trading. So option trading, it settles overnight, which is very convenient for most people. If you have a small account, usually you can trade options a few times a day, and then it'll settle overnight and you can trade again tomorrow. If you guys liked the video, if I answered any of your questions, make sure to like the video, comment below, subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any more questions. I'll make sure to answer them in the next video.